Why everything you desire already exists, and how to access it. Most people think they have to chase, struggle, or work harder to get what they want. But what if everything you desire is already here? You just haven't tuned into it yet? The truth is, reality isn't something you create. It's something you align with. Everything you want, success, love, peace, abundance, already exists as a possibility. It's not missing. It's not out there. It's just waiting for you to see it, feel it, and step into it. Think of reality like a radio. Every possible station, every version of your life, already exists. You don't create the music, you just tune into it. And your mind is the tuner. Whatever you focus on, believe in, and expect, that's the station you lock onto. So if you're not experiencing what you want, it's not because it doesn't exist. It's because your tuner is stuck on the wrong frequency. How do you access what already exists? Step 1. Shift your focus. Stop looking at what's missing. Instead, train your mind to recognize signs of what you want already being present in your life, even in small ways. Step 2. Feel it now. Most people wait for success, love, or peace before they allow themselves to feel it. That's backwards. Reality mirrors your inner state. Feel abundant, and you shift into an abundant reality. Feel grateful, and life gives you more to be grateful for. Step 3. Act as if it's already happening. Don't wait. If the version of you who already has what you want would take a certain action, do it now. You don't wait for the frequency to change. You become the frequency. This isn't about forcing, it's about tuning in. Everything you desire already exists. Your job is to shift yourself into alignment with it. Try this today. Comment below with one thing you desire and how you can start feeling it now. For advanced training and deeper mind hacks that actually work, check out ascendcorps.com. And remember, the world reflects you. Change within, and everything without shifts.